Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another cupcake video. I made these cute little cupcakes with my sister. Do try it at home and share it with your loved ones. Let's get started. Take 2 cups of flour in a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix them well. Take 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'm using unsalted butter, and add 1.5 cup of powdered sugar to it. Whisk them well. Add half cup of yogurt. Now add the mixture to the dry ingredients and fold them gently. Do not add all at once. Add them gradually and keep on folding. Add sufficient amount of milk to make a smooth batter. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and we are adding 2 to 3 drops of sky blue color. You can use any color you want. We are using gel color. Now we are going to mix it well. Our cupcake batter is ready. The consistency of the batter should be like this. Now we are going to add a little amount of batter to a greased cupcake tray. We are not filling it full because we'll add some chocolate at the center. Then we'll cover it with one more layer of the batter. Now we are going to cut the chocolate into small pieces and put one piece at the center of each cup. And then we are going to cover it with another layer of the batter. Try to cover the chocolate completely. Tap the tray for a few times and then bake the cupcakes at 180 degrees C for 20 minutes in a preheated oven. We took out the tray after 20 minutes and our cupcakes are ready. They turned out quite fluffy. Just look at the molten chocolate at the center. Looks yummy, right? If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments and suggestions below, and don't forget to check out my other dessert recipes in the description box below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.